The SONOFF NSPanel Smart Switch offers a comprehensive control center that integrates seamlessly with various devices, making it an essential addition to a smart home. Its built-in human-machine interface panel not only functions as a smart wall switch, but also provides smart temperature control, ensuring convenience and efficiency. With an advanced thermostat, you can easily customize indoor temperatures at different times, allowing for automatic activation of heating or cooling systems to maintain comfort. The NS panel supports multiple control methods, including dual-channel switches, touchscreen, and the eWeLink app, along with compatibility with Alexa, Google Home, and Siri Shortcuts for effortless voice control. Equipped with sensors and Wi-Fi connectivity, this smart switch provides real-time updates on weather, indoor and outdoor temperatures, and time, enhancing your home environment. Installation is straightforward with a simple connection to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, allowing for quick setup and integration into your smart home system.